The most important skill that I have learned when it comes to you coaching your clients, what skill is that? Not many people are very good at this. What is that, Joshua? The attentive listening skill. When you are busy helping, guiding, mentoring, coaching your clients, you need to be 100% there, present with them, listening to everything they are sharing with you. You need to absorb, soak in, ponder, meditate, think about where they are at this present time and where they would love to be in 6 months' time, a year's time, 2 years' time, listening attentively to the pain point so that you can address and give as much value, being fully present, helping them so that your clients can be like, wow, this can transform my business, my results, getting that positive income. So from today onwards, listen to every single thing in detail what your clients are talking about and solve the problems accordingly. Thank you and you're welcome.